helpmewithstats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us evaluate a complicated expression. Let's use the PEMDSAS rule to evaluate this expression. We have three x-scores. x1 is 2, x2 is 4, and x3 is 3. We'll now evaluate this complicated expression. Remember that PEMDSAS begins with P, which stands for parentheses. We start by evaluating any expression within parentheses. The 4 minus 2 in the exponent of the x needs to be evaluated first. Since 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, let's replace the 4 minus 2 with 2 on the right side of the equation. Let's start by setting up the denominator as 10. We need to evaluate the summation sign, but we can't sum the values inside the summation until we substitute the x-scores and then evaluate what's each term of the summation series. To make things easier, all values associated with a score will be displayed in a specific color. First term is red. So here we have the second term in the summation series that is associated with score 2, displayed in blue. Here we have the third term in the summation series that is associated with score 3, displayed in green. So let's substitute our actual x values into the numerator. x1 is 2, so the 2 is substituted in red. x2 is 4, so the 4 is substituted in blue. x3 is 3, so the 3 is substituted in green. At this point, we have a sum of three expressions, where each expression has been created from the original summation series. Each of our expressions can be simplified to a number. In red, the 2 squared minus 3 is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. In blue, the 4 squared minus 3 is equal to 16 minus 3 is equal to 13. In green, the 3 squared minus 3 is equal to 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. These numbers are now added together to equal 20. Notice that we are now adding the summed terms after each term has been completely evaluated. We can now divide the numerator of 20 by the denominator of 10 to produce our final result of 2. For more help with statistics, helpmewithstats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.